touch. If you don't want anything else, if you don't want to add additionals, anything, the clients, oh, I love it, Nancy, it looks so cool. Okay, great. You know, if the clients like want to get really details and defines on your marble looks, then you can add some of either golden touch gel painting, or if you have illuminating gel painting in gold, you can also do that. Or you have a gel painting in the bottles, you can also use those too. But I believe when you are getting your whole entire 12 colors of the fusion, and you get this golden touch, one of the favorite gel painting, to add it on for any details for actually is come in with the kit. Look at that. Just pick up any of yours golden touch, and then you just really randomly just go along with your veining, and you can stop, you can make it thicker or thinner, however you want. Make it the unique the way you wanted it. Add some here and off here. All right, just like that. Just simple it is. Flash here for 30 seconds.